Welcome to Block 7. Today, we're going to explore Analog House, an extraordinary architectural masterpiece resulting from the collaboration between Faulkner Architects and Olson Kundig. This home is located in Truckee, California, an area known for its beautiful pine forests, winter sports, and lakes. Let's dive into the design concepts and unique features of this remarkable house. Designed in collaboration with the client, an architect based in Truckee, Analog House celebrates the rugged beauty of a high desert site populated by ponderosa pines, manzanita, and exposed basalt. The home's footprint meanders through the understory, deliberately shaped to preserve existing specimen trees and create a protected internal courtyard. Extensive transparency and clerestory windows throughout the home provide access to views and daylight, while numerous indoor-outdoor connections link occupants to their surroundings, an important consideration for this active family. The interior palette of this home features concrete and steel, punctuated by kinetic devices that engage both the built environment and the natural context. Just inside the home's entry, a steel mesh stair wall works with upper-level clerestory windows to invite daylight into interior spaces while providing visual and textural interest. The powder room sink references Japanese bamboo fountains, known as sozu, reimagining a standard off-the-shelf shower valve as a unique, gravity-responsive faucet. One of the most striking features of Analog House is the treehouse, a three-story tower that rises above the main volume of the home. Solid steel cladding grants privacy to the tower's street-facing north side, while the other sides of the tower feature large areas of transparency, protected by year-round tree cover. The treehouse provides bedrooms and attached baths for guests, as well as a rooftop deck with views of North Star Ski Resort, making it the perfect spot to enjoy the surrounding scenery. Dining room lights hang from custom bent steel armatures that organize and conceal electrical cords, creating a clean and aesthetic look. Bridging the kitchen and the exterior wraparound porch, a custom fireplace can be converted to an Argentinian grill via hand-cranked mechanisms, adding flexibility and functionality to the space. The glass-walled forest hall connects the kitchen and dining wing to the living room and master suite through a tree-lined procession with views of the surrounding woods on all sides. Clerestory windows line the living room, suffusing the space with natural light, while a cantilevered steel roof provides cover for an exterior patio, creating a comfortable space to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Entering the master suite through a discreet entry, there is an intimate sitting room, open casework closet, sleeping area, and bath. The custom bed, designed by the client, faces the trees, creating a soothing view upon waking. The master bath incorporates a private slot view as well as a protected courtyard, adding privacy and tranquility. Tom Kundig, the founder of Olson Kundig, expressed that working with fellow architect Greg Faulkner was both a delightful and challenging experience. This collaboration allowed them to elevate the design dialogue, creating a result that reflects close teamwork and mutual respect. Greg Faulkner mentioned that working with Tom Kundig was a valuable experience, where personal egos did not interfere and the focus remained entirely on the work. The result is a highly fire-resistant home with numerous interfaces with the landscape, combining the unique stylistic hallmarks of both architecture studios. This collaboration not only resulted in an extraordinary design, but also strengthened the friendship between the two architects, who are now working together on a second project, a new K-12 school in Lake Tahoe. With its blend of concrete, steel, and glass, as well as various kinetic devices that connect the built environment with the natural context, Analog House offers a living space that is deeply connected to its surroundings. Extensive transparency and clerestory windows allow natural views and light to flood the home, creating a bright and open atmosphere. We hope this home tour provides you with inspiration and new design ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to Block 7 for our next home tour video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.